Okay, so hey everyone. Today we are gonna talk about some common issue which is faced by every engineer, I would say, which is remembering the past issues and solution about the issues, right? So here's the patch pilot comes in the play. So how the patch pilot works? Here's the life cycle of the page pilot. What it does basically is that it remembers the issues from the past and provides the solution based on that, and it improves as you provide more issues and solutions about it. So here you can see the memory that lives with your codebase. It ingests, it recalls and diagnoses, it releases and drifts, forget, and it also does research. So here are other informations about it. As you can see, the beautiful website with some 3D touch on it. So let's get to the fun part and dive into the app. So here is the auth page. I will login with GitHub. Here you can just authorize with GitHub, and it might take few seconds to complete. And here we are. So here you can see the four pillars of the cogni on which the page pilot is built on. And first page after you log in, you will see the diagnose page, and here you can search for an issues based on the past issues you have synced with git, all that stuff. After that, we can go to memory part, and here is the fun part. Here you can upload your incidents, import issues from GitHub, or you can simply load the data files. And here you can see the content type. You can choose any one of them: ticket, chat log, release note. Here you can import the files from your local machine, or you can just simply import the issues from GitHub. Here it is pre-filled because we are logged in with GitHub, so it pre-fills the GitHub part, and just you can press load repos, and here you will see all the repos that are available in your account. Here we can just take the repo name and just paste it here and load repos. Here after that, you can just pick any one of the GitHub repo, let's say the cogni, and sync now. First આવી જા, paste it, load repos, and here we can pick some open issues. As you can see, there are 614 issues in the cogni part. Let's go there, sync now. So now you can see here that the open issue loads, and it is currently in the processing mode. So now the repo is scanned, and here you can see it shows already up to date, no new issue since last sync. Now we can move to the diagnose part, and let's say we can type the problem or any issue name, or just we can describe the issue. Based on it, it will identify and will give the answer. And here you can just apply fixes, or as you after that you can go on to the graph module. Here you can see the memory graph, which is created based on the past issues you have provided. It shows a beautiful 3D graph. After that, there is an ask module where you can just ask about the issues, and you can chat with that site. And talking about the tech stack, for front end we have used Next.js, and for backend we have used Python. with fast API, and for LLM we have used Mistral, and last we obviously have used Cogni for the whole fundamental setup. So yeah, this was the main brief about the patch pilot.